The real issue is the mindset that you need to adopt in order to be better with your money. Automation with your savings and your spending. Spending your money in a way that creates more efficiencies in your life, like things that free up more time for you to do more productive things in your life. And especially, above all things, to really get a grip on what you have, where you stand, where you need to go, and how big is that gap. There are things you could do to close the gap. There are things you could do to get ready, expenses you could cut, expenses you know that you'll have coming up. And it doesn't mean you live on bread and water. It means you set a certain aside. You pay yourself first, you put money aside before you spend the rest of your money, because we all know that if you're planning to save and invest the money that you have left over at the end of the month, all too often, there isn't any money left over at the end of the month. This is why we say save and invest the first day of the month and don't wait until the last day of the month. Don't forget, one day we collect Social Security, we get to go on Medicare, and there's other things that you might not be thinking about that could help you.